Hello my little artists, welcome back in the new video, and here we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful caterpillar. So let's get started. First we are going to make a branch like this, branch, and then we'll start making a caterpillar on it. So first, to make the face, I'm going to make the ears first. Like this, one circle from here, then taking it down like this, then a simple line, then a mouth, and joining it here like this. So this way we are going to make the face, the caterpillar, then two big eyes like this, and also a mouth here. Okay, now we are going to add two antennae on it. Okay, now the rest of the body. So for that you have to keep on adding circles. This. Okay, so here going to make more circles inside it and two more. Now just give it a round shape. If you feel the shape is not round, then make it round first, like this. Okay, now this feeds. Okay, and one here. So this way our caterpillar is ready. And after this we are going to add two leaves on the bottom side like this, and some here on the top. Done. And now it's time to do the outline of this artwork. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover all of the artwork with the black marker. This you have to cover the whole art with your black marker. After doing the sketch part, now it's time to fill colors in the caterpillar. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill light green color in the caterpillar body. Very slowly like this, same way in all the circles. Don't fill the color inside the circle, the small circles. Here the circles are done. Now the last one is left. And here the caterpillar body is all green now. The next step is to fill color same in the leaves. And then after filling this with the light green shade, with the dark green, we will give the shading effect. So this way, all the leaves with the green done. Now first I will fill the red color in the mouth, the caterpillar, like this, very slowly, and also in these small circles. Done. And in the antenna I'm going to put orange color. After this, with the help of dark green shade, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make leaves like this, very slowly, this way. Okay, so here, once the leaves are ready, the next step is to fill brown in the branch and yellow in the circle. So first I'm going to fill yellow in the circles and also in the beads, like this, in the circle, in the beads. How beautiful is it looking? And the single line of yellow inside the eyes of the caterpillar. So this way yellow is done. Now the last is brown color. So with the help of brown sketch pen, I am going to cover this part. Going very slowly, not putting any pressure, from down to top. Like this, we will cover the whole branch. See, going very slowly until the end. So here our caterpillar is all done. And now I'm going to write that I love KidsNagri. So here our caterpillar art is all finished, and kids, just keep creating and keep drawing and keep adding your filling with your favorite colors. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.